Hello, my name is DylanHunter, and this is my MUX Project 5, um, designing an app for the Mat Supply Store. For this app, I've got a couple things created on my screen that I'm going to show you in a minute. But the basic flow of this app is going to be the user has the ability to sign in, and after they create an account, they can sign up for the newsletter they can get sales and coupons for the store after they sign up for the newsletter. Also, once they signed in, they can pick their store, um, and the phone will access their location to pick the one closest to them, or there will be a screen where they can choose what store they like to go to if they don't want to use their GPS. Um, After that, there's going to be uh, the main items they have. So there's going to be a page for that. Give the user the ability to search through it. Then there will also be two other pages for sales and refurbished items. So I'm going to show you the screen flow for that, as well as some text information that I wrote in to help explain what the app's going to do for the user. Alright, so this is a very basic layout of the process that's going to go on with the app. So when you first ever use the app, it's going to ask you to sign in, and I'll give the user options with sign in with Google, Facebook, or create a new account, which will just ask for the user's name, email address, and then create a password. So after signing in is when I'll give the user the option to turn on the newsletter notifications to send certain sales and coupons to their email address. After that, like I said, pick your store, so GPS, and then pick a location screen. There's three different locations, so I'll give them probably a map view, and then also the option to click to make that their home store and save it. Um, After they've done this one time, there's not any security reasons to ask the user to sign in every time. So in the code, I'll let the user constantly stay signed in once they've used one device. So after that, I'm going to have a main page tab bar. So it'll be three tabs on the bottom, one for the store's items, sales, and then refurbished. So in the store's item, they'll be able to click search in the top right corner, and that will let them filter through text on what they're looking for, and then I'll have a drop down menu to the left, which they can further filter through either categories and the manufacturer. Alright, so after that, the user can go to sales, which is going to be everything the store has on sale for that day or for that week, and show specific days that they're on sale. And then lastly is the refurbished tab, which is going to have everything tailored to whatever store they pick. So it's going to show their home store and what refurbished items that they currently have. I will also give an option where they can change stores just to see what refurbished items there is at other stores. There's a bit more detail in my text, so I will show you that now. So here's my text. So for the search, from the home screen, the user will be able to click a search button at the top left navigation bar, which will take them to a search view. The search bar, and then, like I said, there will be a drop-down menu from the left for categories as well as manufacturer. As they type, it will go ahead and populate anything related to that text, but when the user does click search, it will show all the filtered results for them. When the user clicks on an item, it will take them to the description page. I'll talk about that in a little bit more once I get down to the wish list option. Alright, so on the sale page, on the bottom left, they can switch over to the sales tab page. So when they click on that, it will also have a filter at the top left for categories and manufacturer for everything that's on sale. This way, it's real easy for the user to be able to understand what's going on in the app and real easy for the user to get to different pages and know what's going on. And then lastly, the refurbish page. So at the bottom right of the tab bar, this will be the refurbish page. After the user clicks on this tab bar, a pop-up will let the user know that the items that are on this page are store specific. It'll show the available refurbished items and their original cost and how much they are now. So I'll probably have a slash through what the original item is and show how much it is now. When the user clicks on an item from this page, it will go ahead and verify that the item is still available before proceeding. If the user has the ability to reserve this item and pay for it now and pick it up at the same day. That way, if it is available, the user knows it's available and they can go ahead and reserve the item. Alright, so whenever an item is clicked, I will have a wish list option. This will be normal items in the store will show up when the user picks a particular item to the wish list to ensure that they want to add it. So I'll have a pop-up will come up and ensure the user that it has been added to their wish list. Once they do that, they can click on an option to have notifications sent to them to let them know if whatever item they picked happens to go on sale. That way the user can stay informed about that. When the user clicks to save a wish list item from the wish list page on the sales page, it will let the user know when that item will go off sale when it adds it. And then when the user clicks to save an item from the refurbished page, it will show a warning. This will notify the user that when saving an item from this page, that does not guarantee that the item will not be sold. So basically, you can still add a refurbished item to your wish list, but it does not hold it for you. So the user can then turn on a notification to let the user know if the item has been sold. So that way, if they were planning on getting it, a certain item from the refurbished page at the end of the week, they will be notified if it has been sold. So that is the basic flow of this app. I think it gives the user the ability to quickly search what they want to search for, as well as an easy option to manipulate through the app. I think tab bar between certain items is the best way to go, considering the store probably has a lot of different items. Alright, thank you.